Hey guys, welcome to tutorial guru. Today I'll be showing you how to use your MetaQuest gift card online, and now let's start right in. Now to use your MetaQuest gift card, first you'll be required to open your preferred browser, and on the search bar click over there and type in secure.oculus.com/redeem code and hit on enter. You can see as we have typed on the code, the code will be on the back side of your MetaQuest gift card. If it's covered with ink, first scratch it and the code will be available to you. In order to use it, first you'll be required to log into your Meta account. You can also set up an email account, set up a Meta account with your email directly over here, or if you have created a Meta account already, you can simply click on login with email, then you'll be able to log into your Meta account with your email. Or if not, you can also sign into your Facebook or your Instagram account. For this video's purpose, I'll be going or logging into my Meta account with my Facebook. And after you log into your Meta account or your Facebook account on the Meta platform, you'll be directly over here, which is the redemption code page of the MetaQuest. You can see now to use a MetaQuest gift card. After you scratch your code, enter your code over here, whichever may be. After entering your code, click on this arrow, but before that I was not asked to log into my Meta account because my computer has already saved my credentials of my Meta account. But before this page, you can or you might have been asked to log into your accounts. First login, and on this page enter the code, click on that arrow icon over here, and the MetaQuest gift card will be redeemed on your account which you're currently logged into. You can see it from over here on the profile. And there guys, this is how you redeem your MetaQuest gift card, or this is how you use your MetaQuest gift card online. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.